couple of my favorite new ones from Google Docs. So first things first, if you go up to the file, go to New, and you can add templates. And you also have that smart chip on your on the top bar of your Google Doc as well, so you can access some of these things really quickly and really fast. You know, if you're working or collaborating on a project, I really like these project briefs or project kickoffs, things that can make that collaboration process on a team even better. So we're gonna just take a look at this one right here. I love the touch of the banner, the bar there that you can obviously change out as well, but it's just a nice thing to make it look really professional. So these smart chips here are things that have already been added to this template, but things that you can add in as well. And so when you are working on a project, to be able to complete something is huge. And I know I've spent a lot of time working in Google Sheets and building this, but now it is built straight into a Google Doc, which means that there's more spaces to type and more flexibility in what you can produce or create to help make your workflow process really smooth. I love the document tabs as well, and that's not new, but it's definitely something, again, that can keep you organized and help you to collaborate with others, especially in a classroom setting. When you're working the same time your friend is working, you don't have a lot of free time together. So this makes that communication piece really clear and really effective. I also like voice typing. And so if you go up to Tools, make sure you take a look at voice typing here. It's something that can live on your screen here, and then you can click when you're ready. So for example, if you're working with students and you've got a quick idea, instead of typing it out, you can just sit down and you can start typing it right here. Or I'm not typing, I'm talking it out, and then as you can see, it's appearing on my screen. Then don't forget to turn it off, especially if you're in a classroom setting and you're like, okay kids, I have to jot something down really quickly. You talk it out. It's there for you in your document. But if you leave this on while you're teaching, then you're gonna get a whole lot of other information, so you just wanna be careful with that. The smart chips, like I said, is something that you can see that's available here, but how do we add it for ourselves? So when you go up to your document here, you can go to Insert. You can insert smart chips, which can be dates, people, files. You can create your own. So I like the variables one here, and you can type in your own. So I've got an A right here, and so that can have a certain value and things like that. So there are so many possibilities with what you can do with these features. Also, I love a good drop-down feature, so I can make a project status. You can see that there's one right there. But I can also make my own, so that's really cool as well. And this could be people's names. You can color code it. You can even custom color code it, which is always really fun. So you've got so many options. Again, take a look at today. We reviewed the document tabs, which are really cool and easy. We talked about the templates, those smart tabs, and voice text. Using these features can save you a ton of time, and also to help you to maximize your efficiency, your productivity, and in a day when you make thousands of decisions, can help keep you organized as well.